Hello everyone, and welcome to our first challenge. This will be our first challenge, therefore it will be very easy, but as the time goes by, the challenges will be getting harder and harder to solve. But I trust you guys, you will make it. So for today, you will create your own Java program and you will turn pounds to kilograms. So open up your Eclipse. And then you should see our last project. You can create a new one, Java project, and name it challenge 1. So finish, and then in our challenge 1, we go here, new package, as always, challenge 1. And then you will create a new class, your main class, hit the public static void main, finish. So, and I will write here for you what you should do. So we will turn pounds to kilogram. So, for example, turn 100 pounds to kilograms. We need to know that 1 pound equals, let's open up the Google, write pounds to kilogram, and we will copy that. 1 pound equals that much amount of kilogram. So go here, and we know that this is a fact. So what would you do? Pause the video now and think about it. Did you come up with any solution? I will now give you some tips. Then try to think harder. Don't forget, if you come up alone with a solution, it means that you start thinking Java. So, first, store the pounds into a variable. Then, save the calculation that will help you with the conversion into another variable. And then, print out the result. Now, pause the video again and think one more time. Did you solve it? Now you can see my solution. Remember, in Java, sometimes there are many ways to do a thing. So, like I said, we will create a variable named pounds, and data type is double, and we will give it the value of 100. Remember what we did say? For the double, we do write the D, or we write it like that. But I like better this one. So then we will make another variable, double converter, and we will give it the following value: pounds multiplied by 0 by 0. So what do we say here? We create another variable converter, and we say that it has the following value: pounds, that we store here, multiplied by the 0 point and the number. So then we'll make our system out print line. We will take the converter, we will save, and we will print out our result. So 100 pounds should be that much kilogram. Let's test it. So 453592. 453592. It works. So let's see with 300 pounds. How many kilograms are 300 pounds, guys? Let's run it. 160 and 36.0776. Let's run it. 136.078. Yeah, almost. And do you know why we take this difference? Because when we do calculations with tables, sometimes it is not 100% accurate. And here it is rounded. Here it is not rounded. So, but the result is the same. Let's make a last one with 10 pounds. Why not? Or with 40 pounds. Let's see how many kilograms are 40 pounds. 18, 14, and 37. Let's run it. 18, 14, and 30, almost 37. So, that was it, guys. Congratulations. You made your first converter here in Java. And now you know how you can turn pounds into kilograms without the help of Google, but with your own program. Again, congratulations and thanks for watching.